Today, friends, we are with Eunice, and a couple of months ago we plowed for her fields and the maize is looking amazing. She is very excited to harvest for the first time in a couple of years, and we just want to thank you. She is one of the almost 700 families like this that we've helped to prepare fields to plant, and we are excited to see what God's going to do in this community and all around Swaziland and all the ICBC communities. We just want to thank you for all your prayer and your support.
Thank you.